Woo. Oh, I look beat. Good morning. Oh, I don't know, y'all can see me. It is, what is it? The 29th? It is, yes, Monday, November the 29th. Welcome to Vlogmas. When y'all see this, it's probably gonna be like December 5th or something.
Are you taking your water?
No. It's probably gonna be like December 5th. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I've been up since 6 something, 6:45ish. And your girl about to do this hike. I've been here for 6 months. I've been saying I was gonna hike. I ain't never hiked. Now we about to hike. I don't even know where we hiking to. We already at the top, what it seemed like. Can y'all see? Y'all can't see that. Can y'all see that? Y'all see this? The city down there? That's the city. So we already at the top, like, I feel like this is the top. This is the top of the mountain. But apparently we got more to hike. So we went on this hike this morning. Thank you for tuning into this video, and let's get into it, mamas. Two seconds in, I'm already dying. I ain't doing this never again. It's fucking over.
You're ridiculous.
It's fucking dead. Never doing this ever the fuck again, okay? What?
It's a squirrel. Relax. There's a squirrel there. I already saw it.
If I gotta run from some shit, I'ma kill this bitch. This is my fucking confession. LA fucking PD. If I gotta run for some shit, I'm gonna kill her ass. Wow. Usually water's coming through that?
No.
Oh, just down right there.
Yeah, it just will stay right there.
Yeah, we can go.
You don't see it? It's just a squirrel, babe.
It's just a squirrel, babe.
You're funny.
It's just a squirrel, babe. What's the wizard? Ah! What? I'm dying. Y'all know this mean I'm about to roll up. Sponsored by Harold's Chicken. Is my butt getting big, guys? Are we seeing results?
Make sure
Gains check. It's flat as all outside, okay? Alright, y'all. Just finished journaling. Headed down to my water. This was honestly a very good experience. And I'm gonna come more often. Pretty soon I'm gonna be hiking ass bitch. Going down is way worse than going up because it's easier to lose your fucking footing and ain't no protection on this motherfucker. If you fall, if he dies, okay? My legs are so dirty and ashy because I have on shorts and I ain't put no lotion on because I didn't feel the need to put lotion on, and then come up here and sweat and then my legs itch. I'd rather be ashy. I don't like being itchy. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all when I get down because I'm tired of holding this camera. Alrighty, y'all. That is the conclusion of the hike. I did that. Now your girl got her water. I'm about to go home and shower, edit these videos, record another video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it in your group chat. Take the prayer meeting, Bible study, study group study sessions. Post it on your class discussion boards. Whatever you got to post it, just post it so people can know about me. Period. Bye. Let's